Today, on Autocar 66, we will show you the new Ford F-150 Lobo, a version with a sporty design and lowered suspension. See more of it after the intro. And Ford has launched a spicy version of its best-selling pickup truck, the F-150, the Lobo. The model is an aesthetic package available for the STX configuration and is only available with the Super Crew cab. The design is very sporty, with a 10-piece kit that includes huge darkened wheels, which make the body very stylish and imposing. The rear suspension is also lowered by 5 millimeters, giving the F-150 Lobo a more aggressive stance. Its interior is almost the standard of the F-150 STX and has a darkened finish to match the exterior. The mechanics are the same V8 that equips civilized pickup trucks, guaranteeing good fun behind the wheel, but without any extra excitement. Stay tuned as we show you more about the new Ford F-150 Lobo. Let's start with its design, which is the most important part of this optional package. The front is very tall, and in this version, it has air vents on the hood and an exclusive grille in a dark tone, which has a double LED bar cutting across the area from end to end. The headlights are rectangular and have LED lighting, and the bumpers have a very sporty style, painted in the body color and have in their lower part a huge air intake with honeycomb elements. Going to the side, we also see more darkened elements, such as the rear view mirrors and door handles. The base of these doors is framed by a spoiler with an aerodynamic profile. To complete the style, the F-150 Lobo wears low-profile tires with beautiful 22-inch wheels painted in glossy black, which are exclusive to it. The rear, as we mentioned, had its suspension lowered and also has its own accessories. The vertical taillights are specific to the Lobo, and the dual exhaust tips are also specific to the version, completing the beautiful aesthetic package of the Ford pickup. The F-150 Lobo is available in the colors agate black, Atlas blue, rapid red, carbonized gray, or Oxford white. The interior of the car does not show many changes, remaining practically the same as the standard configurations. The environment shows a good finish, but with a lot of luxury or sophistication, and uses darkened finishing on the upholstery. The instruments are digital and are combined with the multimedia system, which has a 12-inch screen. There is ample space for passengers. Its equipment list, as expected, includes good items: cruise control, rear parking sensors, pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, lane keeping system, automatic high beams, cross-traffic alert, the aforementioned 22-inch wheels, among other items. As we mentioned, to push the car, the Ford F-150 Lobo has a 5.0 V8 gasoline engine with 400 horsepower, the same one found in other versions of the pickup. It is connected to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Thus, it goes from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just over 7 seconds and reaches a maximum speed of 180 kilometers per hour, electronically limited. It has 4-wheel drive. As we said, Lobo is an optional package for the F-150, available for the STX version of the pickup. It adds about $5,000 to the sticker price, which in the end results in an approximate price of almost $60,000. So, what did you think of the new Ford F-150 Lobo? Was it a version that lacked the pickup truck? Tell us your opinion here in the comment.
Enjoying this video, so subscribe to the channel and like it so we can keep on producing our content.